So I ordered the Chinese rear axle kit for the Go Kart, DIY Go Kart. This is the 32 inch. Yeah, it is 32. It's supposed to be like 80 centimeters, so that's correct. So this is a thick piece of metal. Let's see the quality of the parts. I read that there is some defects parts you might receive through the Amazon reviews, so let's see. Actually, it's funny that you get a lower price in Amazon than AliExpress. So because of the shipping. So these are the wheels hubs. Anyways, but I won't use them because those are 4 lugs, and I ordered the three lugs that's supposed to fit this shaft, and there is like all the screws you need for the wheels. And it comes with the this is the brake caliper. As you see, I'm not sure there is an oil here. I'm not sure if there is a reservoir tank, or no need, it's already oiled up. So I'm not sure how this works actually. It's supposed to be like this. Anyways, I'll watch some videos, but not bad for the package. The whole package shipped like 180 bucks. So this is the caliper. There's a Royal logo here as well. Oh, they kept for you a piece of plastic that keeps the piston open, so I'm not sure. I think you'll have to press this or something. Let's see. Anyways, I hope this is long enough. It seems like it's too short. I'm not sure really. Yeah. Anyways, let's see how long it is. So it's like 8 centimeters. So I'm not sure. Anyways, so let's see, what is this? Okay, this is for the. I'm not sure if we have to bleed this or not. Anyways, let's check the other parts. So this is the disc brake, and this is the bearing. So yeah, those two are the bearings. This is the disc brake. And this is the chain, as they say, it's 420 or 480 chain. I'm not sure really. But anyways, this is the, I don't know, they call it sprocket or something. So this is 428, 37 teeth. And this is, I think, the same chain. I choose the one with the 4 screws or 4 nuts because there is other options in AliExpress that you can buy, like more tooth, like 48 tooth. The other one with the like shorter axle, it was a 3, and I noticed that there was no replacement sprockets. So the 4 nuts, I bought the longer shaft, the 32 inch, because this is the 4 lugs, and you get like more option of this in AliExpress. So this is the thing. Plus it's like already comes with the full 428 chain, and I'm suppose it's easier for you to get clutch that will fit 428 chain, because I think 420 chains are with 4 can fit 428 chains can fit 420 clutches. So I'm not sure really, so we'll have to see the next step. So keep watching. I'll post the progress of the go-kart build. So this is the first piece of the puzzle.